Open package, Procotom, solar street light, manual, 4G modem. Solar light with remote monitor camera, app PC system. Adjust the angle of the adapter by switch top angle, and fix it with tools. Battery display, switch, monocrystalline silicon high conversion rate solar panel. Radar sensing system, 1080p monitor camera. ATPC's LED per module, super bright. Scan the QR code by cell phone to install the app, then connect the camera with Wi-Fi. Connect the camera successfully in a few simple steps, and you can view the monitoring screen anytime and anywhere through the mobile phone or the computer.